We had people working from home anyway. It wasn't a big deal. We're an IT company. That's what we do. So we had people around the world. Since the pandemic hit, we decided that virtual first is the way that we were going to go. 90% of our employees work from home full time. Now, with that said, that meant that our offices mean something different when they go back to them. But like you, our new joiners were the ones that we were really concerned about. So there's how do you build that casual water cooler conversation? Or I ran into you in the cafeteria and I had no idea that there was somebody like you that I could look up to and learn from along the way. Or, oh my gosh, I really wanted to get involved in a project like that. How can I work with you to do that? That's not happening when you're all virtual, and especially when you're global like we are, it happens even less. So we've started to introduce other technologies, things like the metaverse, where all of a sudden you're creating online in the metaverse a new way of working where we're actually bringing our new joiners to an onboarding event where you can have those social casual collisions with people that you might just be walking from the boardroom or the auditorium in the metaverse, and you walk over to the soccer pitch to see what's going on over there, and you happen to run into the CIO walking across the path, and their name is above their avatar, and you see them. Hey, it's very nice to meet you, Mr. Salvino. I'd like to, talk to you about this and this and this. And so you're able to all of a sudden have these collisions in a different way. Now, for you and me that, we're not the new joiners, we're maybe not as early, number one, navigating that is really hard because I'm really not good with using my arrow keys to get somewhere. I'm just not adept at it. So I've stepped on a few people, I've walked through a few people. That's not very fun. But, and the other part of it is you never see somebody's face, which for me isn't a big deal, but it is a big deal. But for my kids, as an example, I have a 17, 18, and 19-year-old. All through the pandemic, they were getting online, playing games with their friends in this way. They don't see them, they're talking to each other the whole time. That's just the way that they work. So a lot of the new joiners are going, this metaverse thing is pretty cool. So we actually use it as a place to come in a different way that technology can't replace the experience, but you can use it to add or enhance the experience in different ways.